All right, I'm here with former Knesset member Dov Lipman, of course, of the Yesh Atid Party. You are one of the greatest all-time, in my opinion, Israeli politicians that have ever graced the Field of Kraft Stadium. We're here today, of course, at the NFL and Israel event here in Jerusalem. Dov Lipman, of course, American-born, from the Baltimore area. This is a great event to be able to bring over so many NFL Hall of Famers, and of course James Brown is going to be here as well. Bob Kraft, the owner of the New England Patriots, also here as well. Well, how important is this for the state of Israel and U.S. relations?
I think there are two sides to it. One side is anytime high-profile people can come to Israel, go back home and report back regarding what they've seen. It's always a positive experience. They always talk about it being the most memorable experience of their lifetime. That's important for Israel in terms of our hasbara, our PR to the world. But it's also important for American immigrants to Israel. Life is not always easy. It's very challenging to be able to pause for a few hours and just enjoy. And I think so both sides of the ocean really benefit from it, and that's why it's a great event.
You know, it's right around July 4th, and the NFL is such a big sport. It's made such a big impact, not only in America, it's the #1 sport right now, but across the world it's growing. You see here itself, the Israel Football League is growing, the AFI is growing, the women's team is growing, the national team is growing. How important is that for also hasbara, and what kind of impact that we can have here in Israel abroad?
I mean, the truth is, you hear that our men's flag team is 5th in the world. That's an incredible thing. We'll be competing in European championships. It shows Israel in a different light that people never see, and I'm sure that they're incredibly well behaved and really, as we call it, mentioned in terms of their character traits, and the world has to see that. That's part one. But for our kids to also have this kind of an outlet and have potential to keep playing ball in a positive way. I mean, I love sports myself. My son is doing the same in baseball. Any outlet that we can give to Israeli kids is a fantastic thing in a world which is not so easy and is always challenging. Let's give them these positive outlets.
I want to thank you so much, Dov Lipman. It's an honor and a pleasure, and I hope to see you back in the Knesset extremely soon.
Thank you so much. God willing, I'll be there.